In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign up and create a new account with Commonwealth Bank. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar type in combank.com.au and press enter. This will now take you into the official website for Commonwealth Bank. Now just click on the log on button at the top right corner and just click on NetBank Log On. You will then be taken into the login page where you can click on the register button to sign up for a new account. So simply click on register for NetBank now and you will be taken into the registration page. Now you will need to enter your account information. Type in your card number and then select your cardholder type. Now type in your card PIN and then enter the security code that is displayed in the captcha image. After typing in the captcha code correctly, you can click on the next button and then you will be asked further personal information to set up your account. This includes your name, address, your phone number, and your email address. After setting up all of those, your information will be verified and you will finally be allowed to set up a user ID and password for your account. Then after setting up your user ID and your password, you can simply type in these credentials to log in to your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign up and create a new account for Commonwealth Bank. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.